6. And as you can see, it's in great condition. Tires still have good wear on them. Wheels are good. One little scratch right there, but not much of any damage at all. Just a little bit of stuff like that. As you can see, it's been very well taken care of. Go inside. It's got all leather interior. It's full grain, it's not top grain. It's got a floor mat that'll hold a latte. So if you drink coffee, you can save the carpeting on the floor. Trunk release, motion sensor right there to turn the motion sensor off. One of the really cool things about this is it's a 6-speed. There's very few 6-speeds in the United States, especially with the 2.7 turbo, and with the upgrade on it, it's putting out somewhere over 300 horsepower. Not sure exactly how many horsepower, but I know it's over 300. Let's see what else. Some really cool features in here. I'll go ahead and show you the mileage on it. 93,000 miles on it. And you can see the date. I normally put about 10 miles a day on the car. Starts up, sounds great. The beep is the brake sensor and windshield wiper fluid. Windshield wiper fluid, that's easy to fix. The brake sensor, that went out when I changed the brakes last, and I just haven't changed the sensor because I know the brakes are good. The only problems, one little problem here, the 6 key is a little bit loose, but everything works great on the stereo. As far as appearance, it's very impressive. It's got the burl wood all around. The sunroof is both a sunroof and a moonroof. It's got the at-home, I don't know what that's called, but basically you can open your garage door and other stuff with it. It's got one-touch window controls. So you push the button once and the window goes down. Push the button again, window goes up.